I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to curl my hair and then I'm going to show you guys different ways to accessorize it with very inexpensive hair accessories. These waves are going to be soft in comparison to the beachy waves. The beachy waves are very textured, there's a lot of dimension, and I'm going to need assistance with hair clips because each wave I'm going to wrap them around my hand and then clip them to my hair just to make sure when they cool off, they're gonna be really bouncy, they're gonna be wavy and just full of life when I release them. All right, section of my hair, and I'm using a Ionic curling iron, and I have it set at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. What I'm gonna do with the curling iron, I'm gonna clip it in horizontally and then wrap it kind of like underneath and towards my hair. And then take it out very gently, and then just wrap it back up the way you curled it. And just clip it to your hair. And I'm gonna do the same thing all the way around my head, and I'm gonna take slightly bigger sections. I'm gonna take some extra hold hairspray and just spray it onto my hair and let the curls set for about maybe a couple of minutes, depending on how thick and long your hair is. I'm gonna use my Kadus Professional Extra Lock Hairspray. Let's take these bad boys out. I'm getting the George Washington vibe. Now what I'm gonna do is brush out my hair. I'm gonna style the curls on a deeper part. I'm gonna take a teasing comb and some extra hold hairspray. Just spray some on the brush. I'm gonna take the brush and just brush this little part right here to kind of give a little swoop effect. And this is what the curls look like once they're brushed out and kind of managed just a little bit. I love the soft effect to them, but they also have a very vintage retro kind of vibe to them, which I love. And as the hours go by in the day, the curls will fall out eventually just a little bit to give it more of a softer look. But I love that it gives so much volume, so much bounce, and a lot of body to this hair. The first accessory is going to be bejeweled bobby pins. They're easy and they're gorgeous. The second accessorized look is going to use this cool little thing I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to double it, and it has like metal inside so you can conform it to whatever shape you want. I'm gonna put it kind of like a headband, then take little bobby pins and just hide it underneath the hair. And there we have it. Super fast, super easy to accomplish, and you look beautiful and festive. This next accessory is going to make like a little crown or halo, and it's these little cool little leaves with 2 clips to secure it. So I'm just gonna bring it towards the back and just secure it right on the side underneath hair. Next one requires some really cute bobby pins, and I'm just going to split my hair down the middle and pin on each side. I know all of these are super simple, and that's exactly the point, because if you already have hair accessories, you can see how easy it is to accessorize your hairstyle, and it completely changes the entire look. Next one, we're going to use one of these. It's like a little circle with a clip in the back of it. Just take some hair towards the back and just clip it with a little clip. I'm going to use a very similar one for this next one. I'm going to use a triangle instead, but I'm going to part my hair on the side, take a section of hair, and just give it a couple of twists. Take the triangle and just do the same thing, just secure it. And there we go. Super cute, super simple. Thank you, Kadus, for working with me on this video. I'm so appreciative. And there we have it. Some of my renditions and how you can very easily accessorize your hairstyle and your waves. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.